think I'm progressively starting to look more like a caveman as time goes on and I film these videos. I work from home, so I don't see a major reason to shave. And eventually I'll be able to do the mustache twirl here, right? Anyways, I keep filming these intros out of order. So I'll do all the work on the car, film it all, and then a few days later I'll film the intro. So it's bugging me. I don't know if it's bugging anybody. I don't know. Well, we've got 59 subscribers right now at the time that I'm filming this, so that's pretty incredible. I'm on my way to my first 100, and I really thank you guys who have been watching these videos and following along with what I'm doing. Hopefully you're getting something out of it. I'm really enjoying making them. I'm enjoying working on the car. Gives me a nice break from what I do for work. So yeah, I ended up cutting the core support off of the car, which you'll see here in a few minutes, and I didn't really intend to do it the way that I did it, but it was a lot more fun the way I ended up doing it. And now I just get to deal with the consequences of trying to figure out how I'm going to get the tube front end on there. And yeah, well, instead of listening to me talk, let's watch me do it, and then I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Man, so I didn't record it. So yeah, I'm trying to get the brake booster out of here, and the clevis pin that attaches the booster to the brake pedal is a huge pain in the ass. Look at how rusted that is. I had to, I wasn't really sure. Oh, there you go. I wasn't really sure exactly how to get it out, so I did some damage to it. I got it out though. Yeah, brake booster, not a fun job. Got that, I got all the bolts undone. I didn't record any of it. Huge pain in the ass, but for all that, there we are. Man, so there's 4 bolts under the driver's seat there, or under the by the footwell, driver's side. Had to use all manner of extensions, but I was able to get them all out with my Milwaukee 1/4" impact. So any 1/4" impact should work. Stuff a rag in there, and so now that's out of the way. Ooh, uh-oh. That's not good.
Silky beak.
Now we're in the deep water. So, what did we learn today? Not quite sure. I think we learned that frustration and good intentions lead to a sawzall, and that I've got to have a tube front end now. Well, I kind of planned on it anyways, but I was really hoping to take that core support off a little more gracefully, I think. I bought the spot welder, the spot weld cutters, but I was just quickly getting frustrated trying to find all of them, and there were random welds everywhere on different points where that mounted up. So we're just gonna have a tube front end now, and hopefully I can figure that out. Probably gonna pay somebody to weld that up for me, unless I can get a tube bender or a friend who knows how to do it, and we'll figure it out together. But thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you next time.